can I use my car insurance for someone else? It is so easy these days to find auto insurance quotes on the internet that you would not need to venture out to get one. There are countless insurance companies on the World Wide Web willing to offer you these quotes free of cost and within a single click of your mouse. Now, is this an advantageous proposition to all those who are looking forward to getting quotes for their own purposes? This is the difference one can look forward to through the power of internet. These days the auto insurance companies in the United States are getting more competitive than ever before. All you need to do is to spend some quality time on them and see which one of those will work wonders for you and serve your purpose. All said and done, you still need to decipher what exactly these insurance policies cover for you. Most of these companies have a set of definition for different terms that are generally used in conjecture with their products. So make you spend some time in understanding what they really are before proceeding with one. This approach will also help you while comparing quotes from different companies. It should not be really tough for you to find auto insurance companies online that charge high deductibles. In opting for one such company, you can save lots of money and can make most out of the given situation. There are also auto insurance quotes from different companies that will allow you to save your money via equipments present inside your vehicle. For example, if your vehicle has driver passenger airbags, anti-lock brakes, seat belts and so on, it then becomes easier to save you funds on your insurance policy. At the end of the day, all you need is a bit of education of different aspects of buying auto insurance via internet. Having this knowledge can help you use your times wisely in shopping for different quotes. There are many aspects that can change the way you quote for auto insurance. For example, if you understand beforehand what a company is looking for before lending you an insurance cover, it then becomes easier for you to save money on them. Certain habits can help you gain a cover a lot easier. If you obey traffic rules wisely or drive at a normal speed on the roads, chances are that you will be in the good books of online auto insurance companies. This in turn can help your cause immensely. There are, however, certain aspects that cannot be altered to gain an advantage in your favor. Your age is one such aspect. Having an excellent driving record and a credit rating can go a long way in gaining insurance quotes through online medium. These factors and a lot more has indeed made internet a powerful medium for all auto insurance consumers across the United States to avail few insurance quotes for themselves.